Hi everyone, my name is Marley and welcome to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you one last tour of my garden before my first frost. The date today is November 2nd and tomorrow morning we're getting a temperature of 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's enjoy this beautiful view of my garden. I'm going to start with my marigold plants, and the marigold plants are looking so good. In this part of my garden, I have 3 rows of pak choy plants that are looking good. I'm not worried about these pak choy plants because pak choy is a cold weather crop, so these plants should survive a light frost. Now this is what is left of my $20 garden. I have some Italian basil and then a little sage right here. We have some bell peppers and banana peppers, and then 4 eggplants. Over here we have the strawberries and then the volunteer pak choy seedlings on the other end of this raised bed. This raised bed has some tulips and daffodils, and then some lettuce in the center. The one that's still brown does not have anything in it yet. These are my sweet potatoes. For sure this will be gone tomorrow. I didn't have time to harvest my sweet potatoes, but since the roots are underneath the ground, they should be fine at this point, and I can still come back and harvest my sweet potatoes. This is my pak choy raised bed, and as you can see, most of the plants have been harvested. This remaining few plants on one end needs to be harvested here in a little bit. Basil plants are still looking good. They have flowers right here. I'm gonna need to cover this, and I'll try to save these basil plants because after the 3 days of 30 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures in the morning, we will actually get some warmer temperatures. The bitter melon is almost done. Okay, so I found a bitter melon fruit right here. I'll just pull this off the plant. These are my string beans. They actually have some beans hanging in them, so I will see what I can do. I'll try to save some. If not, it's okay, I will let them go. I have so many beans already. I have eggplants in this area, and these eggplants are actually looking good. They're still flowering. Jalapeno pepper in here is also looking good. I'm gonna need to cover this because I don't have time to dig this from the ground, but tomorrow afternoon when the temperature is above 50 degrees, I should be able to come out here and dig this jalapeno so I can transfer this to a pot. These strawberry plants are actually looking really good, so this can be a good source of some more strawberry runners that I can plant into my raised bed. Lemongrass is right here. It's looking good. This needs to be harvested. And then I have another lemongrass in here. I have 3 lemongrass plants in my garden that I need to harvest. And finally, my banana peppers and bell peppers in these 2 raised beds in this area. They are actually mostly yellows, so I will try to save the ones that are still green. What I'm gonna do is I will cover the plants with a trash bag.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.